Hello and welcome to the Econometrics for Business in our course. Here you'll learn powerful causal inference techniques to make compelling analysis, challenge the status quo of your company and get ahead in your career. My name is Diogo Rezende and I'll be guiding you through the course. As commercial planning and strategy manager at Zalando, the projects I collaborate require of me a high knowledge of econometrics and predictive analytics, which are also two areas that I love. Additionally, before coming to Germany, I was an anchor at local radio that gave me the skill of public speaking and to explain concepts in a simple way. Econometrics has a horrible fame. The complex theorems combined with boring classes where it feels like you're learning the Greek language gives every student nightmares. This course stays away from all of that. It will focus on 1, giving you the intuition and tools to apply the techniques learned, and 2, making sure that everything that you learn is actionable in your career. The course is designed for you to understand where you can apply the techniques you are learning. Each section will start with an overview of use cases. Drawing from business white papers and also from my own experience, I will provide examples where you use each technique. Next, you'll be presented with an intuition tutorial to truly understand the why of each technique. At the end, there is always a practice tutorial with hands-on coding, where I guide you through every step of the way. Not only that, all codes are provided in templates that you can keep and use when you need. In the intuition tutorials, the examples are as diverse as the fields in any company. Hence, the course is not only for the typical quantitative and analytical job roles, such as data scientists or the business analysts that want to learn econometrics, but also for the more qualitative roles like HR or social media managers who would like to bring analytics to their job. In the practice tutorials, the aim is to keep everyone engaged with interesting problems while also learning R. We'll figure out together, for instance, what was the impact of the Cambridge Analytica scandal on Facebook stock price, or solve the old dilemma of who came first, the chicken or the egg. The course will continuously get updated with new case studies or techniques to make sure it is the go-to course for econometrics. I really hope that I spiked your interest and that you choose this course in order to master econometrics. So please take a look at the course description and the curriculum for more information, and I hope to see you inside.